So let's go ahead and throw East in here too. Now, East, this is a hand I definitely would be doing some interfering. Pretty decent little 5-5. So after a no trump, East, if you're playing don't, your bid's 2 diamonds, right? Diamonds in the major. And this is a pretty good 5-5. So that's a hand I would definitely like to get involved with. Now, South, you have a little bit of a problem here. Or you could have a little bit of a problem. You're not quite invitational, right? And you're certainly not game forcing, therefore. On the other hand, South, do you want to sell out to your opponents at the 2 level? Probably not, because you have the balance of power, right? Even if North has only 15, you still have 22 points. This is theoretically your hand, right? And you don't just want the opponents to steal it from you in 2 diamonds or wherever they're going to end up. So how are you supposed to compete? Well, what you do have here, and don't worry too much about what East's second suit is, because nobody at the table except East knows at this point, right? East has a major. We don't know which major. So South, what you do have is a takeout of diamonds, right? You're relatively short in diamonds. That's East's known suit, right? And South. No, I'm not worried. I mean, would I have 4-4 in the majors in an ideal world? Yeah, but one of those majors is East, right? So, I think what your plan should be as South is to double. And again, we like your double's usually going to show, it could be a good 6 or 7 points, something just below invitational. You might be in that invitational range. You might have like 8 or even 9. But normally what you're doing here is you're just trying to find your best part score. So if you double, aren't you for the most part happy with whatever opener bids? Now, if opener bids 2 hearts, you have a 4-4 heart fit, great. You found it, and you can pass and stop at the 2 level. I see Tom stretched a little bit to invite. I think I would let 2 hearts go. You're right on the fence there. I think I would just settle for a part score probably. Okay, what if opener bids 2 spades? Okay, you are most likely in a 4-3 fit if that happens, right? Is that the end of the world? Well, only if your left-handed opponent has ace queen fifth of spades. Yeah, I mean, it is possible you could land in the opponent's major, and that would be less than friendly. But my guess is that if you have a 7-card spade fit and you play it there, that would indicate that more than likely East has hearts, not spades. So that is a possibility. It's not perfect, but it would be okay. What if partner can't bid a major and has to bid clubs? And then, okay, well, you'd be at the 3 level, but if opener's bidding clubs, then they've got 4 or 5 of them, right? So you're in a good fit. If they can't bid a major, clubs is the spot. So whatever part score you land in, you should be okay with that. Now, I left one spot blank over there because I do think this is worth discussing. So partner of the don't bidder. Because of the double, theoretically, you're off the hook, right? You don't have to bid. So if you bid at this point, or if you pass at this point, you actually say something about your hand. Do you know what this is? So West, can you stand diamonds? Yeah, you have ace 10 third. Can you stand both majors? Not really. The problem is if you ask for the major and partner bids spades, you have a small doubleton there. And partner may not be completely guaranteeing 5 spades, right? If you have made this don't bid with only 4 of them, you wouldn't want to end up in a 4-2 spade fit. So I think you want to tell partner, yeah, I can't risk looking for your major. Let's just play diamonds. Well, if you pass here, pass indicates you're okay with playing 2 diamonds.
Oh. Double.
So
2 diamonds double.
now the double is not likely to get left in, right? I mean, it could be that the opener has a big stack of good diamonds and you made a really crappy dump bid, and they could convert the double to penalty. It's intended as negative though, right? So that's pretty unlikely. Pretty unlikely that you would have to worry about, trying to defend 2 diamonds double, or as declared, trying to play 2 diamonds double. All right. But the key here to remember is, and you are going to pick up so many hands that look like this when they interfere with your no trump. We don't want double to be penalty. We don't want double to be stolen bid. Any of these largely useless versions of double. We want double to be, partner, I have some stuff, but I don't have a long suit, so I can't tell where we belong. I want to compete. And so that's the best description of your hand, right? It's like a takeout double, except you only have 7 points, but that's okay because partner is 15 to 17, right? So if you know you should be competing for a part score, but you're not sure where, double's probably going to be your best tool. All good.